For me, pictures speak 1,000 words. So when I seen the flyer, the before and afters, I knew that it was something that I needed to learn.
I thought it was going to be really complicated, but it's really easy, and it saves a whole lot of time and attention on your hair too. So.
And I've been seeing there's an epidemic of baldness, traction alopecia, whatever you want to call it. If there's a problem, and now in this instance, we're actually turning into doctors. We've got to fix it. So when I saw Weave Buddy, I was like, you know what, this is the answer.
But the time today went by so fast. I learned so much is techniques that will make a world of difference that's going to protect my clients' edges. I have clients that has alopecia. I already got a couple of them that I know that I'm going to be using on it within this next week.
Just seeing how flawless the hair was laying on the sides and the edges, and there weren't any holes, and and it was giving coverage where there was nothing, and then I was like, okay, I have to take the class.
Definitely leaving feeling more knowledgeable, more empowered because I know about this product. Also can't wait to offer it to my clients to help save their edges.
I love the class and I learned a lot.
The Weave Buddy, I would say it is a very awesome class. We do want to save edges, so I think this is very great for the edges and any tension that the clients have. I would advise you take the class.
I think the class is fantastic. Being someone that does a lot of extensions, finding the best way to get the extensions on and not cause any type of hair loss is like always the best thing you can do. I know that I'm going to love it, my clients are going to love it too.
We love the Weave Buddy.
Thank you, Weave Buddy.
Definitely ahead of its time in technology.
I like the versatility, and I like how it stays in place. It's going to be very beneficial to my clients.
Yes, this is a great method.
I think the Weave Buddy is excellent. I actually specialize in non-surgical hair replacement. I think this is an excellent method for that. I'm excited to get back to Dallas and try it on my customer.
Why didn't you create it sooner?
The Weave Buddy is the way to go to protect and preserve your client's hair.
There's so many people right now that really need this that are coming in the salon, and now I have a solution.
Customer. Thank you, Weave Buddy.